Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pamela from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here to just show you today all the Pokey tools I made. I made a bunch. I think it was last weekend or weekend before, I can't remember. I just sat down one weekend, got some of my beads together, and decided to make all the Pokey tool turkey skewers I had. So I'm going to run through them because there's quite a bit here, and I'm probably going to fast forward this. So let's get started. Alright everyone, I'm back. I made a total of 26 Pokey tools over a weekend. I think it was a weekend before. And I used quite a bit of my beads. So tell me what you think down below. I'm hoping to send these out on Happy Mails or giveaways, or if someone wants to buy one. Some of the, I only added a couple of yarn pieces on top there. But my goal was to use them all up. I got a total of 26 turkey skewers, and so all I did was I hooked the jump ring, so if someone wanted to take it off they could, like that, and have a dangle like that. So anyway, let me know down below in the comments what you think of my Pokey tools I made and which one was your favorite that you liked. And I'm hoping to make more in the future. I just want to get something to package these up individually and bag toppers on them eventually, so I have them. Alright everyone, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell to all so you can see more of my videos. I'm hoping to have some more giveaways coming up in the near future. Alright everyone, see you later. God bless. Bye.